Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to change out the charge bars on a Mech 600 Junior Mark V. I believe this works for all 600 Juniors, and it might work for all Mech single stage reloaders. If not, correct me in the comments. So, first thing off, you're going to need a adjustable wrench, a wrench that fits specifically this bolt well. This is an adjustable one, so it'll do that. Next, you need your charge bar. I'll go over a little brief summary of the charge bars. The 302 on it means that it's for a single stage. 502 means it's for a progressive, and I believe the black-gray ones are for steel, but I might be wrong on that. And then the numbers 118 stands for 1 ounce and 1/8 of light or small shot size, like 7, 8, 9 trap and pheasant loads and whatnot, if you use those for pheasants and rabbits and whatnot. Then you have the bushing, which controls how much powder goes in the shell. This is a 32 bushing. With different brands and different powders, it changes everything. So you have to look that up and get the right reloading recipe, because you don't want to screw with powder. Lots of people have blown up their guns by doing that. So first step is I turn mine around, since I don't have enough workspace to fully turn it in or turn around on my bench. Now you make sure this is all the way to the left, since when it comes down, the stuff will just rock back in, but if it's not, when you rock it back up, that can spill stuff all over, and you don't want to do that. So now that you've done this, get your wrench, get it to the right size, make sure it's a nice tight fit. Oh, it's not a nice tight fit. That's a nice tight fit. There, now I just break it free. Now that it's loose, I can use my fingers. Now take this off, set it in a very close spot, since you'll be needing it soon when you put the new charge bar back on. So, slide this out carefully and grab onto the bushing. Since we don't, it'll pop right out like that. Grab onto that, put your old charge bar down. This new charge bar, which is 1 1/8. Oh. Yeah, 1 1/8 ounce. That's our new charge bar. Got a little confused. They're all red. That too, make sure, double check to make sure that you're putting in the right charge bar, since if not, you'll have to do this again. So to make sure it goes in the right way, line it up so this little screw hole, this threaded hole, will go right in the middle there, in this little barred off section. That's what you want. Now you take this, your, bar for this, get it finger tight, and make it sure it's in general straight. Like, this is not acceptable, but that's fine. You want it to be straight and not cattywampus. So, once again, make sure your screw fits, or your wrench fits, and give it one good tightening, and that's pretty tight. It will come loose when you're loading a lot, so you'll just have to tighten it again. And don't go overkill, since you can strip the threadings or break the screw, and once again, you just don't want to do that. Now, all that's left is to turn it around. Turn it around one too many times. Make sure the bars slow all the way to the, from this angle would be the left. Flip it up. Now, turn it right, and now you're ready to reload. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment. I will be sure to try to answer them. Bye.